guys, welcome back to another Ipsy slash Boxycharm unboxing. Again, we are still way behind on getting these done and posted, but this is the September 2023 box, and we're just now doing this, so better late than never. But we are doing this so I can actually start digging into the products in here and using them. So we've got a little brochure thingy, Boxycharm on it. Find your groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. There's a scan here thing, QR code. Scan the above to log on to Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app and click Learn button under your product photos for all the tips, tricks, and must-know info about your 5 full-size new arrivals up to $200. Interesting. Let's actually see what happens. I haven't done that before, so let's find out. Being this far after the fact, I don't know if it'll work, but I'm gonna try. Come on, man. You can do it. I think it's because it's on an angle. You can do it. Okay. What's it gonna lead me to? Doesn't even show me as logged in. Cool, cool. Technical difficulties, give me a minute. Oh, I didn't realize I wasn't logged in on my phone, but let's fix that and see if it now gets me that info, or if it just leads me back to whatever. Okay, let's try it again now that it's logged in and see if it works any better, but again, because it's not the current month, I bet it doesn't. But let's find out. I stand corrected! We have info! Fuck yeah. Alright, so I'll just do a quick glance over this then, and then dip into that. I didn't expect that to work. That's actually super damn helpful. So we have the best of the best power picks. We tasked our expert team of curators to find the best of the best in beauty, and we're hooking you up with 2 of these power picks, aka the hottest, coolest, and buzziest products in your box every single month. It's literally just a list of stuff. Then the save the dates for the limited edition mystery box, flash sale, October theme reveal, build your box and add-ons, blah 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 blah. Drop shop coming. Nothing really important in this, so we'll go off of that. So, in that case, in no particular order, we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This is worth $70 freaking dollars. So let's see what it says about it. Let's click Learn. Product info not available. Thanks. So helpful. So helpful, Ipsy. Thanks for that. Moisturize with a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into a resveratrol-rich grape formula to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Certified organic, antioxidant-rich ingredients hydrate for lasting advanced age-defy results. Okay. Let's see here. It basically just works like any other wrinkle-fighting moisturizer, so I don't think we need to read all that right now. Whenever I get around to reviewing this stuff, we can do it then. So there's that. That was my, what do they call it? The Beauty Boost pick. Then we have, from Fenty Beauty, the Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette in 4 rows. And this, if we click and learn about it... Product info not available. Again, thanks. Thanks, Ipsy. Thanks for that. Whatever. Well, it was good in theory, but apparently not in practicality. Maybe if I'd gotten to this sooner, it would have done better. Anyway, so packaging looks like so. We have color names on the back. So our color names are Sleepover, Little Miss, Stunt Queen, Sugar Shock, Spice Trip, and Diva Fever. So. Ooh. Okay, these are pretty. Let me move that out of the way, and then block out the mirror so we don't blind you. Look at those. Those are actually super pretty. Those are going to be fun to play with, especially that middle top one. I'm really excited for that guy. Predictably. So, that'll be nice. I've had other Fenty Beauty stuff. I'm not sure if I've ever had eyeshadow from them. Maybe I have. I don't know. So there's that. Yeah, fuck the phone thing. Clearly it's not going to be helpful. So, from Luna Magic, Beauty with a Vibe, we have Soft Perfection Foundation Powder, infused with conditioning shea and cacao butters. Long wear, vegan finish, soft matte finish, and it's just in light. Let's see here. What is their idea of light? Ooh, I'm digging the rose gold vibes. And the lid of it is so sparkly. Ooh, love that. That is real nice. It's a little bit scratchy glitter, but it doesn't seem to come off anyway, so that's good. And it literally just appears to be a light foundation powder. I think this might even be a touch too pale for me, but I suppose we'll see. It actually looks like it has more color on camera than it does in real life. Holding it next by hand, maybe. I do have one foundation powder currently. I don't usually use it because I've kind of gotten into the groove of using the liquid foundation now, so now it's hard to go back after that, but we'll give it a shot. Why not? Why not? From Memoir, we have, or Memoir Archives, we have a perfume called Work From Home, which is ironic given that is exactly what I do. So, fragranced with notes of warm cappuccino, sweet caramel, clean linens, and biscotti. Ooh, okay, speaking my language. Let's see. It's just one of these little tubey tubes. Let's see. Ooh, let's open it. Get a better whiff. Holy crap, that smells good. Alright. That's gonna be a nice one to wear. I don't know, I might end up, like, buying that one proper if there's a bigger size of that. That's really nice. Oh my god. Something about it, I can't put my finger on what, almost reminds me of that Judy Garland perfume. It's not identical. It doesn't have the floral notes. But whatever the rest of it is similar, in my opinion. From Toy Factory, we have Dream Set. What is this? And the color Metaverse. What is it, though? Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum palette. Serum palette. I don't know what that means. And it's taped shut, so honestly for now I'm gonna just leave it shut till I'm ready to like test this out, but it's awfully small, but okay, that's interesting. That's interesting to me. From Natasha Denona, we have the Alloy Cheek Duo with a blush and bronze powder and Super Glow. Why do I have a bad feeling this is that same one that I've had? But wait, nope, it's not. Different color. Hell yeah. Bronze and Glow palette. Yeah, my other one was red, so this is different. Okay. So it does definitely have like a contour in there as well as a highlight, but it's kind of a dark highlight. For a lot of people this would probably be great during summer, but as somebody who doesn't tan, I don't know. It might be a little too dark for me, but if it is, I can give it to my mom. She has a darker complexion than I do. So, she got the cool Italian skin. I didn't. I got the Irish skin from my dad's side, so anyway, that's fine. From Danessa Myricks Beauty, we have the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil in Jade. And this was definitely a choice item, and the way I am with Jade, both the name, the color, and the stone, I was like, oh, I need that. I need that in my life right here, right now. Let's see it. Come on, you. difficulties. Okay, there we go. So now, whoop. I'm chipping my polish, but it was already chipped to begin with, so I don't care. Ooh, even the barrel of the pencil is all holographic. What is this down here? Is this tape? I guess it's tape to keep it from rolling up in the box or something. But like, look how pretty and rainbowy that is. If it's like gonna pick up on camera. I'm not sure if it is or not, but it's kind of like an oil slick with like the rainbowy colors in it. But yeah, I don't think it's picking up on camera accurately. Okay. Real careful with that. Ooh, that is super, super fine. My dudes, look at this. Like, just for size comparison against my hand. Against my fingertip. That is itty bitty. But it definitely has like a cool reflect going on in there. Oh, that's going to be really fun to wear, actually. Okay. Love that. That back in the box for safekeeping for now. And then the last item is from Aceology. It's the green tea mask that clarifies, revitalizes, and energizes. So that's pretty big. Let's see here. It's not as big as the box would lead you to believe, but it's still a decent size. That's still... like the size of my hand. That's still pretty damn decent. But, I mean, compared to the box, it made you think there's a lot more to it than there is, but that's okay. But yeah, that's what I got in the September box. September did pretty damn good. I'm not really, like, upset with anything. Like, maybe the foundation powder, I'm not super stoked with just because I usually don't use that, but I'll see how it does and see if it seems usable or not. And as long as that Natasha Denona one isn't too dark to wear, that's going to be fun to play with too. So anyway, that is it for this one, my dudes. Where's my little remote? There it is. Okay, so anyway, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.